In this problem, we are given the equation of 3x minus 4y is equal to 12, and our main goal is to first write this equation in slope-intercept form where we solve it for y or get y by itself, and then we will be able to determine easier the slope and the y-intercept. So let's go ahead and get started. Slope-intercept form is y is equal to mx plus b, where m is the slope, rise over run, and b is the y-intercept. In order to start with this given equation, I'm going to think about it as having two sides of the equal sign. So I'm going to draw a line through the middle. On the left side of the equal sign, I have 3x minus 4y, and on the right side, I have 12. Again, our main goal is to get y all by itself or to solve for y. So I'm going to go ahead and start by undoing any addition or subtraction that I see. And right now I see a 3x by itself, so what I'm going to do is just minus or subtract 3x from both sides. The reason why I'm choosing to subtract 3x is because the original 3x was positive, so I'm doing the opposite of the positive, which would be a negative, okay? 3x minus 3x will cancel out, give me 0. So on the left side of the equation, I still have a minus 4y, but on the right side of the equation, I have a 12 and a minus 3x. I'm going to go ahead and put that starting in slope-intercept form, so I'm going to actually write the minus 3x first, because again, in slope-intercept form, the slope will come first and then the y-intercept. So minus 3x will be first and then a positive 12, okay? The next step I'm gonna do is go ahead and try to get y by itself. Again, y is attached to this negative 4. Negative 4 and y are multiplying together. So to undo multiplication, I will show division. But whatever I do to one side of the equation, dividing that by negative 4, I will also have to do to the right side. So I'm gonna divide everything by negative 4 here. Okay, here's where it's very important to start thinking about your integer rules for multiplying and dividing negatives. On the left side, negative 4y divided by 4, negative 4 will just cancel out to give me y. Perfect, that's what I wanted. Now I have this problem, negative 3x divided by negative 4. Maybe even think about it as just negative 3 divided by negative 4. That's going to give you a positive 3 over 4. So there's my slope of 3/4 x. And then here I have a positive 12 divided by a negative 4. That will give me a negative 3. You could even rewrite this slope-intercept form as y is equal to 3/4 x plus negative 3. That is technically the same thing. But to be more concise, we want to just keep it as y is equal to 3/4 x minus 3. So now that we have this written in slope-intercept form, we can determine what the slope is. The slope will be 3/4, or rise 3, run 4. And we'll get into that in graphing in another video. And the y-intercept will be a negative 3 or a minus 3 because there's a minus sign in front of that. Okay, so there's our answer.